people, it's a lazy Sunday afternoon, and I am with these two young people. Actually, that's what we need to um sit. They are all just lazing basically because it's a Sunday, and just now, Anviku will show you these things. It's called this certain kind of plasticine, you know.
Good
So,
morning. My name is Amrika. I'm going to talk about slime. Slime is basically you should not eat it because it's poison. And I will show you this because it stretches a lot.
oh my God.
And it also farts like this.
Oh God.
It also farts. And by the way, this is you get this from Walden. It's slimy, fruity, smelly collection. Super smell. Like if you want to smell it, you would not stop smelling it.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice.
It's a fruit smell. It's a fruity. It smells very nice.
It's a made in China product. That is how much? It's worth how much?
And you can also do this. You can also see through it.
So, oh my God! Wow, this is fascinating. Ayush, did you see this? Did you see this? Wow, that is fascinating. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.